Yeah. Yeah. Fuck is going on over here? There we go. What's going on? Hope you guys are having a good day. Did you hear that? Man, the Discord is just wild. We have the best community on these prop firm streets. It's not even fucking close. It's so good. People with their own Discords hang out in our Discord. Not to mention people who have gotten kicked out of our Discords like 50 to 100 times plus keep trying to get in. It's that fucking good. It's that fucking good, guys. And then they're like, why Ben? Why time me out? Why'd you time me out? Why you time me out? Because you're a fucking idiot. Oh man, it's too easy. Too easy, guys. Oh man. Anyway. Anywho. Enjoy more lessons. Enjoy more lessons. Shut the fuck up. Fuck you, son. Enjoy more lessons. I subscribed yesterday and couldn't talk because it was set to 27 minutes. Okay, Smokey. What up, Kevin Tobias? Who else is here? Who else that I actually give a fuck about is here? Kenny, Uncle Mo, Lobber Dauber, Mitchell, Amit, Debt 5, Rower Trades. Yes, sir. Danny Siebers, Magnificent. Brett called Brian Stone giving him signals. Fucking funny. D-Walk, Marco, Eric J, TJP, Slick Rick, The Ruler, A28, Cube. Yo, Shazabe? Oh, man. If I butchered your name, I apologize. Peter Schapp. Andy. Pandle. Ms. Goody. DV. Stephen Cox. FNH. Ms. Goody. We got Rick. Rick's here. Rick. TD Wolf. V33. Big Tick. Micah. Wells Fondue. JK. Cyberpie. What's that? Roro. Ray. TP. Yup. Hope you guys, like I said, hope you guys are having a good day. Let me turn my screen sharing on. Oh, your insolence. I'm going to teach you a lesson in humility. I'm just going to keep sending bots. Fuck you. Eat a dick. No one gives a shit about you. No one fucking cares. You just make yourself look like more of a fucking douchebag loser. Franny, did Apex pay me out yet? I got 2,000. I got, the one I got approved last week I got paid on. I'm still waiting on 8,000. I'll probably get that, sometime this week. They say 3 to 7 business days once they send that payment email. I'm going to teach you a lesson, Jay. I'm going to send bots to your fucking account. Fuck you. I hate you. You have not learned your lesson in humility. Use, what up? Yeah. Cube made that shit. Tyler, what's good? Yeah, Butthole Lords really really slamming my stream with fucking bots right now. Your insolence. Okay, bro. Cool. No one gives a shit. Nick trades. Once you got approved, you got your 40K in 3 days. Yeah, once they send that payment, receive the email, payment sent email, it's 3 to 7 business days. Anytime, it's usually for me, it's 3 business days. Yeah, Cube made that. Cube made me look like a fucking Temu Sean Paul, and then Newt's made a thumbnail. And then we had some lost respect for you, lacking of learning humility, Jay. Det 5. Michael, what up? Nick. Oh, yeah. You're waiting on 2. Yeah, you'll get the money. Once you get approved, Wells, Hotshot, what's good? Yeah, you want to see what the butthole lord looks like? Yeah. Here we are. Found them. Found them. If it's not that person, it's this person. It's one or the other. If it's not that person, it's this person. Oh, man. I don't give a fuck. God, just what part of I don't give a fuck don't you understand? I don't fucking care. Anyway. Meet. Baseballing with ease. King delay. What up? Life with 12 dogs. Yeah. Keep watching my stream. Keep creating new accounts to comment on my streams. Maximus, what up? Oh, so you know the deal, Wells Fondue. Of course, bro. So you know you're going to get your money. Anyway, here's my Top Step account. If anyone, the biggest, the largest. Oh, yeah. Come on, send it to 1 million. The biggest, the largest. YouTube's going to tell me where your address is. I'll come see you. If anybody was on my stream from earlier this morning, around the New York Open, a little after it, you know that I fucking, just to get this $315 was like pulling fucking teeth trading gold. When all I had to do was hold one of the first trades I took. One of the first or second trades I took. I don't remember which one. And I would have been good. I would have been up bigly. And even this last trade, I would have been up another $700 on both accounts. So I would have had $1,000 a day. But you know what? I just literally got paid. I just requested payouts on these accounts. Both of these, the leader and the follower. It's funny. The leader was $30 ahead of the follower. Now the follower is $10 ahead of the leader now this time around for whatever reason. It's based on how the shit gets filled. But with all that said, I'm really going to teach you a lesson today. 30,000 viewers. Oh, my God. I'm going to send you 32,000 more bot viewers. Anyway, so I requested my payouts. They took the money out. And then I almost fucking blew the accounts. I almost suffered from PPDS. I did blow this account yesterday fucking around with gold. Although I've been trading gold more lately because I can't trade this trendy shit. I don't trade the trend well. The trend is not my friend. This is the NQ. I mean, I'm on the 5-minute. We are up a fuck ton. Look at this. This is the hourly. We are up a fuck ton from the low. We're up 500 plus points from the low a day. 520 points from the low a day. It just keeps going. Sparta Nick, Keegan Murphy, Labradaba. When I'm talking crap, there was some dude named Jay Stores. What up? Yo, what up, Quang? There was this dude that I worked with. I was telling the story the other day. When I worked for this big internet marketing guru. It was like his high school, like one of his childhood friends. So his name was Arnell. Nice guy, I guess. I didn't really like him all that much. He didn't like me. And he would say, this is how he talked. Michael, Jason, I don't like the way Jason acts. He kind of walks around here like he owns the place, Michael. Because that's exactly how I did. That's how I do everywhere I go. But now I'm just using that voice to make fun of this fucking loser hitting my shit with bots. Fucking clown. Yo, of course. It's always like that. You catch the bottom. What if you did it with 5? What if you did it with a mini, bro? You're talking 5 G's. One mini would have been 5 G's. No, 10,000. One mini would have been 10,000 bucks. Imagine doing that in a fucking take profit trader funded account or an XFA. Oh, man, I think about shit like that. Look at gold too. Oh, wait, let me show you gold. So yesterday I got fucked around with in here. I blew another PA. I blew that XFA and I blew this PA. Where is it? PA 269. This is the one I just got paid on. Fucking around in that drop in gold. Right here. If you look, let me go to the hourly. It's kind of cleaner when you look at it on the hourly. If you look, this was the bottom. No, wait, no, this wasn't it. It was here. This was the candle. So we came back down to the bottom of the, I drew a happy Fibonacci from the low to the high, to the bottom of the golden shower pocket. We also had a fucking trend line here. That might not have been there yesterday until this candle came down this far. And then look where we went. From there, we went from 32, 196 to fucking 710, 500 something ticks. Again, a mini of gold is $10 a tick. Just imagine. I will do that one day. I will just catch the bottom and ride the shit all the way up in a fucking XFA or a Take Profit Trader Pro account. It's going to happen. Roger Adams. I don't think so, man. It doesn't. You know why? Because the engagement, I don't think it's affected me because we have great engagement anyway. Because you guys are fucking great. Me 2x2. Channel's not blowing up. It's some fucking loser sending bots teaching me a lesson. Wants to teach me a lesson in humility. Dumb fuck doesn't understand how I literally humiliate myself trading and humble myself. I get humbled by the market. I don't need some fucking loser, some fucking dick in his grandma's basement. Fucking, it doesn't matter. But hey, they're getting all the attention they want. But whatever, I don't give a fuck. Not going to stop me. I'm like Diddy. I can't stop. Won't stop. Mufasa. A lesson in humility. Mitchell, I already did. They can't do shit. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they know I'm not doing it. It's already on record that I'm not doing it. But, you know, it's all right. I'll just start another channel. Like, it's okay. Krister, what up? LeBron's. Will, what's good? Daddy Trader. Yeah, these are real people. Michael E. You could scalp. You just can't bracket trade. They don't want you bracket trading. You know what I'm saying? It's Nick. Yeah, this was a tough day. If you like to scalp, this isn't the type of, unless you were trading gold. Gold had opportunities. But like this shit, I mean, this was like the one chance to fucking do some scalping. Basically. Here on the NQ at least. So after I blew that PA yesterday, trading fucking with gold, and then I knew it was going to bounce. I knew I was going to get, and that PA and then this XFA, like I showed you before, I knew for a fucking fact that gold was going to bounce because that's just how it works. I literally get bottom tick to top tick to blow out an account. So I went long here in these three, and I got these up 589. I could have gotten more, obviously, a lot more, but I didn't want to get a lot more because they have a consistency rule. So I got these three I just got paid on. I got day 3 in the books on these three. So I need about $600 more. I don't even think I need 600. I need to the account by this much. Let's just say 590 divided by 0.3, 1,966 bucks. I was basically just over 2,100 on these after I got my payout. So, I got to grow. I'm going for max payout land. So that's that. And then this account, I was just trading this account before, 1080. I'll show you what I did. Well, it was right here. Where was it? Look, I got bottom ticked. I got fucking top ticked, actually. My take profit, I got in 5, and then I added 5. I got taken out here, lost my drawdown, right? I ran out of drawdown. My take profit was at fucking 85.50 right here. That was a take profit for that trade. And sure enough, eventually it got down there. It went down to like 80. Of course. But that's okay. I lost another eval on the same type of move. And then I did pass one. Well, these 1, 2, 3, 4. I blew 5. So I blew 5 in here between last night and today. I've just been, and then yeah, I was trading gold. I fucked around, and then I did pass a couple. This one was up a lot, and then I gave it all back. So I lost out. I ran out of drawdown. I was so close. Look, I was like less than fucking $400 away from passing this fucking thing, and it went the other way on me. But I did pass 4. I passed one of these just before on that drop. And I blew one of them on that drop. I got fucking top ticked. But I did pass 4. And I have some more to trade. I do want to trade those. I'll show you what else is going on. I'll teach you a lesson. What up, Neil? I'm learning a lesson in humility right now. More bots for me. More bots for me, Neil. Ram, what's good? K-Spec. Who else is here? I mean, yo, let's say what's up. Marcine, Triple M. Yeah, it ain't real people. Cajun, what up? Twan, what up? Yo, they didn't give me my take profit. I had a 150K that I was passed. They took it out of my account and everything. I never got the activation. Maybe I've activated more than, you can't activate more than 10 in a 30-day period. Maybe that's the case for me, but it's not even sitting in pending or anything. It's just not there anymore. So I got to fucking, I hit them up, say, where the fuck is my account, yo? Oh, they got back to me. What'd they say? Oh, our service delivery team can take up to 24 hours to review the test. Once the test is approved, you will receive further instructions. Oh, so they're taking their time. Thanks for getting back to me. They finally got back to me. Hey, Gabriella. Thanks for getting back to me. I'm just used to them being ready to go. Used to pro accounts to past account. Used to officially. They're still reviewing it. Past accounts being ready to go the next morning. No worries. As long as I still have the account. All right, cool. So that's what they said. They could take up to 24 hours to review it. So they're behind on reviewing, or they waited on purpose because today was a trend day. Maybe they didn't want to give people accounts because all you needed to do was go along earlier today and just ride that shit all the way up. But I do have these two. I got one of these is on day 5. One of these is on day 4. So another one of these is passed. So that'll be my second one waiting to be activated. So that's good. And then what else do I got going on? Oh, the most important thing for today. Well, this is important to me too. Like these two, these are very important to me because I just got fucking paid on these two, the leader and the follower. I just got paid. So now I got day 1 in. I need 4 more days of $200 and I could get a second payout. Can I get the fucking job done? Can I get a second payout for once from a Top Step account? That'd be amazing if I could do that. So that's my plan. Obviously, that's my goal. Jay Jackson, woo! The #1 wealth charge trader. I might be the only wealth charge trader. JP. Yeah, it's fucking. I'm going to teach you a lesson in humility. Lobber Dobber. I mean, they pay fast as fuck, bro. You'll see later. I'm going to. Well, shit, I just gave it up. Okay, I just gave up the goods. You see this right here? 84? That is day 5. I have officially got day 5 in. I did that last night. It was a little nerve-wracking. I almost hit the daily loss limit, but we're good. We're good. Day 5 in the books. I'm going to be requesting a max payout of $1,200 literally at like 5:07 p.m. So p.m. Eastern. So I'll still be streaming. You guys want to stick around? We'll have a little payout request party for the stream. And I've done this before in the past. The last time I requested, I requested 2 payouts. I literally got approved and paid in 28 seconds on one of them and 48 seconds on the other. It was fucking insane. They pay fast as fuck. So I'm curious where I'm going to fall on this request. I don't know. 28 seconds is a lot. If I don't think I'm going to be 28 seconds. If it happens within 5 minutes, I don't care if it takes an hour. They pay the fastest out of anyone. My fund, the futures. But so we took, and this is day 5 locked, right? If I show you here, you can see the account balance, but it's not updating yet. We have the days yet. Let me refresh this. The days aren't in here yet because the day hasn't closed out. See, it says I need 5 winning days. This is day 5. See, the 13th. So that will show up in there when the market closes, and then I'll be able to request. And then 82, I hit the daily loss limit on twice. I hit the daily loss limit on this fucker twice, and I got this thing back up over break even, which is awesome. Look at this. Twice. Between the 2 daily loss limit days, that's fucking $2,474 in loss. And I finally was able to get it back over 50 grand. I'm at 50,357. I need another $1,000 before I can request 1,008 to be exact, because of the consistency rule based on my biggest day. But hey, if I could get the job done on this, I've done it before where I hit the daily loss limit and end up getting paid out. But I've also hit the daily loss limit so many times in accounts that I end up blowing them. So, I mean, we'll see. I feel good, though. I feel good about my chances of getting this to a payout, which would be great. But I can tell you one thing. This payout right here, this puts me at over 14,000 for this month, and it's May 13th. So I'm fucking super pumped about that. Biggest month, my biggest month ever just got a little bigger. And some fucking clowns will come in, maybe potentially be like, "Oh, your biggest month is like the worst month in the last 6 months." I don't fucking care. Nobody gives a shit. All that matters is it's the biggest month for me. I'm excited about that. So we're gonna celebrate. If you don't like it, don't fucking come in here. Get the fuck out of here. We celebrate all the wins. Renee. Neil's a trend trader. Well, Neil does everything. Neil's a trader of all types, man. Too early, too late. Right? Like, if someone, I'm not trying to compete with anybody in here. I want us all to win. Everybody's at a different level in their fucking journey. I'm fucking super excited and pumped for what I've been able to accomplish on my journey. I don't give a fuck. Like, if you're going to come in here and be a fucking loser about it, go fuck yourself. It's my biggest. Shut the fuck up. Probably still watching it. Probably creating a new account, subscribing, and then gonna wait. How long did I set the fucking timer on the fucking thing? Gonna wait. It's gonna sit here for what? How long? Let's see. Let me go to the studio. Wait fucking 47 minutes to fucking say fucking loser. And then try to jump in my Discord again. The fuck up. Let's see. What did I set this shit at? 37 minutes. I apologize to anybody who's cool and not a fucking jerk off. You wait 37 minutes, but I'm just doing it on purpose. Marcin, big time. Too early, too late. What up? We're all on a journey. I should be excited about having my best month ever. Why wouldn't I be? Vic Med. Nah, Yotarth. If I said your name right, if I didn't, I'm sorry. What up, Manuel? I never know how to say people's names sometimes. Kay, what up? They want to teach me a lesson in humility. My insolence is causing them to send more bots. John Q. Big tick. Yeah, it is what it is. Stephen C. How much balance do you need for your Apex 50K to request max 2K? 4,100 in profit. You need to be at 54,100. Nick T, what's good? Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So very cool. And it's May 13th. So I mean, fuck. Who knows what the rest of the month holds? You know, if I could get these, if I could just keep going with these three, I could be requesting another $6,000 in the next, you know, within the next 5 days. I'm on day three days locked. I need two more, well, minimum 2 more days, right? If I could get this over max payout land in the next 2 days, I'm pretty sure I'll be good in terms of consistency rule stuff, because the consistency rule goes from payout to payout. So this is my biggest day. I got to make sure I grow the account by, what did I say, 1,964 or whatever. So if I could get you know, another $600 in the next couple of days, then I flip the rest of the way. I could fucking request another 6,000 from Apex on these accounts. I would love to be able to request another payout on 3 accounts. So, and then keep requesting. That's like my goal, to be able to do that too. So we'll see. Who knows what's going to happen this month? All I know is it's May 13th, and I'm having my best month ever. Anyone who has a problem with that they have bigger problems than what they're worried about with me. Too much smash. Yes, today wasn't the greatest day to play Pass or Smash. I can tell you that much. But now it looks like, you see this? It almost looks like we have like an inverted head and shoulders. If I go to the 5-minute chart, maybe not. Not really. I don't know. Maybe kind of like here, shoulder, head, shoulder. I mean, we could make new highs. We could fucking keep going, but I don't know. We did fall out of this little fucking trend, this little channel here. We are out of the channel, but we could always pop back into it. That's on the 5. Let's see what the 15 looks like. I mean, Jesus Christ. This shit, I don't like trading this shit. I can tell you that much. Whoever rode this from the bottom here, God bless you. What's gold doing? Gold's kind of like out of steam at this point in the day. But look, it's so funny how where gold pulls back and bounces right off the top orb. It wicks down to the top orb, and the body of the candles on the 15 bounces right off the VWAP. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. They're fucking, yeah, it's amateur hour with the bots. Jay Stores. Matt. What am I using to copy trade? I only copy trade from prop firm to prop firm. So like with these 3, I literally have a group set up in Tradeovate. I'm using Tradeovate's group trading feature. So these 3 are together in a group. I'm not copy trading any of my Take Profit Trader or my Fund the Futures accounts. These Top Step accounts, I'm using Project SlipX. I have them in a group together. They have the leader and the follower. So whatever you do in the leader account, it'll do in the follower account. That's how that works. And then in here, I know you could copy trade in wealth charts here. I just don't really, I haven't tried fucking with it. I know you could do it. I was trying to fuck with it one day and I couldn't figure it out. And I was like, I got to do it like with some evals and like with micros or something, you know, just in case I get myself into trouble. And until I figure it out. But you can do it in well charts too. I just don't really know how to do it yet. Hell yeah, Jay Stores. DCN, what's good, man? Chilling. Jake, no, they ain't real. They ain't real. Place of Exploration, thank you, sir. Jersh, no. Yo, where in Long Island are you from? I'm from Valley Stream. I grew up in Valley Stream. What up, Elaine G? D-Walk, P Shenanigan, behind the badge. Yeah, I'm getting bot attacked like a motherfucker. It ain't me. Like, obviously, I've never used them in the whole time. I've had this channel for what, 17 months now. Never felt the need to fucking do anything like this. I'm not doing it. YouTube is, they're not going to do shit. But I did, I am on record as telling them that it's not me doing it. Nothing I could do. Other than, the only thing I can do is just make fun of this fucking loser because it's fun. I'm gonna make your life miserable, Jay. Jason. 0 day Jason, your insolence. Yeah, I already reported it. What up, Newts? I don't know. Raider, probably not, bro, but I already put it on record. There's nothing else I could do. What am I gonna do? Just keep fucking telling them it's happening? They know it's happening. Teach me a lesson. Long Beach Road, Nassau, Long Island. No doubt, bro. Oh, that's Alfred. What about Jers? Where's Jers Sanders? Where are you from? Montauk. We got Montauk in the house. T. Cooper, what up, man? And Lace. And no, it's not a glitch. Some fucking loser. Let me show you what they look like. Some loser's bot attacking my stream. Here they are. Here he is, teaching me a lesson in humility. Grandma's coming. Grandma's coming to he's got to take a shit. Grandma's coming. Where is it? Oh, where is it? Where's Cartman at? Here we go. Cartman, he can't leave the computer while he's bot attacking my fucking stream. Teaching me a lesson. Teaching me a fucking lesson. Anyway. I want to trade, but I don't like this shit. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in a benzo. All right, so what accounts do I have to trade here? 980. What are we doing here? I mean, nothing. We're literally chopping sideways. I was afraid this was going to be fucking... I thought Power Hour was going to be better than this. We're in like a 25-point range. What up? What up, Lee? I'm trying to do something here. I just don't know what to do. We're basically chopping around here. Nothing. I'm going to wait, I guess. 41. I mean, it's like a 20-something point range. Needed to hit your take profit before market close. I mean, I don't know, man. It might happen. It's just this shit's just chopping around. This shit's just chopping around, bro. Yo, does anybody know if fucking Jason Tatum officially tore his Achilles? What's Gold doing? Is Gold being more a little... Nah. Gold ain't doing shit either. Did I not fucking... Oh, I forgot to do this. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh, wait, because it's not going to work. Duh. Adoy. See, it's just chopping around. This is awful. It's not conducive for playing pass or smash. I mean, I guess I could have got it if I timed this perfectly from the top. If I timed it perfectly from the top, maybe. Mufasa. Yeah. Dr. J. Nice job. Great work. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Yup, Rick, 100%. I think Klay Thompson did too. The NBA is the overall product of the NBA is weak. At least the Knicks are making it good. Some of these games, like, how are you getting fucking 30, 40-point blowouts in the fucking playoffs? What kind of bullshit is that? Awful product. Over under Maximus? I don't know, man. We've been up so much. You think it's just going to shoot back up? It might be a nothing burger. It might be a complete nothing burger. Yo, Mitch, bro, 1,000%. You know that was part of the deal. Who fucking trades Luka Doncic for fucking Anthony Davis straight up? Get the fuck out of here. You know there was, yeah, the lottery. Yeah, lottery my ass. I will destroy you. Well, maybe it's like a sniveling, like little. There we go. We just fell out of the range. Jay, your insolence. Yeah, the Knicks. You know, you got the Pacers. You got fucking Donovan Mitchell getting hurt when his team's getting blown out, or pretending to get hurt. And I love Donovan Mitchell. Ed Sod, what up, man? Mitch, 1,000%. It was such a joke. They're going to get Cooper Flag. I mean, he's probably a good player, but he ain't Luka Doncic. Warrior. It's a hey, Jersh. It's a joke. I make fun of people who say Apex doesn't pay their traders because people get paid left and right. They literally just paid two dudes almost a combined almost $5 million. So anytime someone gets approved for a payout, because people like to talk about it in the stream, like they'll come in and be like, "Yo, Apex just approved me," or whoever they get paid by, because we all like to celebrate the wins. I'll just say Apex doesn't pay their traders. Coach Calvin, what up? Yeah, Apex is good, bro. You know, they have their rules. Just don't violate their rules. By the way, they're doing Big Dave, what up? It ain't real. They're doing there's more than 71 viewers. This Raider for Life. There's more than 71 viewers. There's probably like 100. There's probably like at this point, there's probably like 200 people here at least. When I have 300, when I hit 350 real people on those streams, I'll end up with 110 likes. So there's definitely not. Maybe it's a third of the viewers, the amount of likes. Maybe it's about a third. There's more than that. Like I can tell you right now. The stream has had 530 views. So 530 people came and went, and a bunch of you are still here. Well, Benjamin, you got to refresh. If you refresh you like your YouTube or whatever, you refresh on your phone or on your computer, it'll update the amount of likes. Coach saying they're not real. Yeah, this power hour is kind of weak. Finally, something's happening. Now, what's going to happen? We are about to hit. You think we bounce? Damn, this is the fucking drop I was hoping for, too. Now we're fucking down 40-something points. Remember the last time I tried doing something in wealth charts? And it fucking filled my order and then hit my take profit, and somehow I lost the account. I'm kind of worried that that's going to happen again if we do pop. We'll find out if we do pop. If it pops. See? Let's see. Come on, hit that shit. Come on. Hit my take profit, you piece of shit. Hey, did we get it? What number am I in? 980? Hey, there it is. Ho, 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 ho. There's your lesson in humility, guys. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah, Coach Singh, exactly, bro. Exactly. Casa Lisk, what up? Joey Freedom. Pass the smash, baby. Oh, look, this shit's coming back down. Oh, yeah. I thought I passed more than that. What happened? Oh, there it is. I'm like, I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too easy. What up, oh? Me. Vito, what's good? What should you do now? You got improper risk management. Damn, this shit came all the way back down. What you should do is just keep trading the account. Grow the account when you're eligible to request a payout. If you get that far, right? Request a payout. Why is everybody fucking barking? Hold on a second. What seems to be the fucking problem over here? Nice little drop right there. Damn, I wish I got into another account quick. 984. That shit dropped 42 points after that little pop. I top ticked the NQ. That's right. Suck a dick. Roa. Hey, man, that's okay. You passed a couple of fucking evals. That's all that matters. I'm also a fucking crazy. All right, what are we doing now? That was so many people just got fucked. So many people who correctly saw that we were going to go down went in short, maybe even heavy for the algo candle and got fucked. Can you DCA if you're entering on another account? What do you mean? Yeah, what K-Spec said. FC Mike. Why not? FC Mike? I don't know, man. I'm not the guy to ask. I figured we were at an area of support. I took a shot. It was either going to go up or go down. I decided, hey, maybe it'll go up, maybe it'll go up. I got filled and it hit my take profit. And then it quickly went down. It could have easily went down. I could have not got filled. I could have gotten filled. And then it fucking dumped on me. Now we're back at support again. You see that? It like literally, look at this wick right here and look at this wick. Where are we at on the chart? It does look like it wants to roll over though. Looks like shit. Let me look at the NQ. No, we're still nowhere near anything. The VWAP is way down here. What's interesting is the VWAP on just the New York session chart is right here. 239. So what are we going to do here? Trading with Travis. What up? I get insider information. That's right. CME, they hit me up on my bat phone. What up? What up? No. So what are we going to do here? The 1254, not the 1254 because I'm on the West Coast, but the 54-minute candle is always interesting too. I think we're going to, I don't know, we're going to continue dropping. What am I at? 65? Keep going down. I don't know if I'm going to get it. I kind of chase this shit. It's going to bounce. Yeah, look, I chase it. I'm probably going to blow this account. Yep. That was quick. That's what she said. If I would have done it around here, I would have been good. Watch it go back down, though. I'll be fucking pissed. What number? What do I have left? I have two. How many do I have left? Well, no. Oh, what did I just do? Hold on a sec. How many do I have left? I was just trying to move this fucking up. No. No, no, no. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. All right, I got 2 left. I got 2 left for some more lessons in humility. 985. So look, it came down. Look where it came down. Let's see. Did anything? It didn't quite get down to the VWAP on the New York session chart. I don't know. That sucked. Whatever. I passed 5 already today. And I'm requesting another payout. These are 90% off evals that got rebuild. Does it want to reject here? Let's see if let's drag this up. Let's see if we get a rejection on this resistance here. So far, it looks like it wants to keep going up. This might be the spot it goes up to. I don't want to get filled here and then it goes up, which is about to happen. Fuck me. Now it's going to go up. Watch this. What did I get in at 81? See, I knew that was going to fucking happen. I fucking knew that was going to happen. I knew it. It's going to go up too far. I'm watching. Yeah, this thing's cooked. Yep. What did I tell you? I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. It literally filled me. Let's try this again. Is it going to keep going up? Damn, that's a fucking nice little pump then if it does. 57. It just went up 40 points. I might lose this one too. It's fine. They're just evals. I don't fucking care. I just got paid again. I'm about to request a payout in what? Damn. An hour. I got to wait an hour and fucking 10 minutes to get paid. I haven't learned my lesson yet. Alfred. Danny Siebus, what up? I definitely didn't. I'm glad I didn't copy those 2 accounts, Danny. I would have blown the other one too. We'll see. We'll see. I'm probably going to lose this account too. I just have a feeling. I fucking chased the order up and I was like, it's going to fill me and then fucking cook me. And that's exactly what happened. Because I said it was going to come around here. Let's go. Get the fuck down there. Investors, what up? Yo, daddy. What's good? What up? Oh, Pine Tree's here? What up, Pine Tree? Uncle Mo still here? Nico Loco, what up? Daddy Faffle, thanks for having me. Thanks for having me. Thanks for stopping by. Come on, go fucking down. Oh, now look, I might fucking get cooked because I'm over leveraged and it's going to, let's see, is it going to keep coming down a little bit? Come on. Or is it going to go back up and use all my, blow through all my drawdown? Shit like that happens. That's always awesome. I love when that happens. Come on. Get the fuck. No, Granny, don't. Hit it. Please. Get down there. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. Triple M's. Yeah, you're fucking around, man. If you took all day to get an account on $400, you probably shouldn't be doing this type of shit. Hey, smash or pass, baby. What account was that? 988. Where is it? 3,244. I overshot it a little bit, but that's okay. How many did we pass today? Look at that shit drop. So we passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue smashed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a funded account right here. That's gone. I did that yesterday. And then and this one, what's annoying about this one and one or two of the other accounts I have, at least two, this one and one other one for sure, these both ended up hitting my take profit after I got top ticked during this fuckery over here. I got top ticked and then sure enough, it hit both of the take profits. So I could have been what? 8 for fucking what? Let's see. What was I? 6 for 13. I could have been 8 for 13 or 8 for 14. You did it, De Leon. So, oh well. All I know is these 3 are funded accounts and they're on day fucking 3 since I got paid. So I need 2 more fucking days. These 2 I just got paid on. I got day 1 in the books. This one in about an hour, number 84, I'm requesting $1,200. I'm requesting the max payout from my fund, the futures. You'll probably see me get approved and paid and everything within minutes. This one this was on the brink. I hit the daily loss limit twice, not in a row. I hit the daily loss limit, then I got it all, then I got most of it back. Then I hit the daily loss limit again, and then I got most of it back. So now let's see if I could actually push this to a fucking payout. That'd be cool. And then the next, like maybe by the end of the week, maybe by Friday, I'll be requesting another payout with my fund, the futures on this account. It'll be the first one on this account, but another payout with them, considering I'm about to request one now. Zarko. Yeah. 50K viewers. Findy, what up? How am I hitting 2K on day 1? On what? Like take profit trader? Most of the time I'm going fucking full. Yeah, Mikey. Mikey's my my risk manager on viewers. Jason, 0 day Jason. I'm gonna teach you a lesson in humility. 0 day Jason. Oh my God. Prop Firms Court, young lady. I got a dog that wants to come in here. Of course. Come on. Come on. Yeah, get up there. Get up in your spot. Go ahead. Hey, my baby. Jason, 0 day Jason. Rick. I know. Hit up. Vitor, what up? Thank you, sir. I know you're reading, my man. Oh, you just passed that 25K you won? Awesome. Great job. Congratulations. Great job. Yeah, Stock Tiger. Yeah. Number one. The biggest, the largest. I get the number one bot attacker, the number one bot rated fucking streamer on YouTube. Vitor, because some loser is either getting paid to fucking damage my channel and cause financial harm to me, or they're going out of their own way to do it, which is fucking pathetic. Either way. Imagine like using this energy for something more productive. Imagine taking this type of energy and harnessing it to do something for good. The biggest, the largest. What a waste of fucking time and energy and money. Baby got Jim Blob. Uncle Mo. Don't worry, the gang's all still here. The cutest. I just saw a picture of him. Look, live looking at the butthole juice lord. Where is it? There he is. Just live looking. Can't leave the computer because he's too busy teaching me a lesson. So he calls his grandma to fucking come and fucking clean up his shit. Look at this fucking loser. Is that him or is it this guy? Where is he? Is it this guy? Or is it this guy? Some of you know who I'm talking about. Is it that guy? I don't know. I guess we'll never know. They're just going to keep teaching me a lesson for my insolence. What the fuck does insolence even mean? I got to look this shit up. You like that, Stock Tiger? You like that shit? Rude and disrespectful behavior. That's funny. That's cute. Your insolence. I don't negotiate with terrorists. Yeah, it's Stock Tiger. I knew it was you, Stock Tiger. I thought we were pals. Who's part of the IIM gang? Improper insolence management. I don't know. Who knows? Why would he even waste his time on me? He's got 380,000 more subscribers than me. Gator Trader, what up? What's the NQ doing? Is the market like dead? There's no earnings or anything, right? Is that it? I knew we were going to go short. I fucking knew we were going to go down. I fucking knew it. But we did okay. The biggest, the largest. The VWAP. Insolence. Neil, your insolence. Enjoy this. Vito, what happened? Vito. I said what up to you before, bro. What happened? What'd I miss? Sir, let me see. Can you please tell me what should I do with the improper risk? I told you, bro. Was that you before? Request your payout. They're going to deny you most likely, right? And then just keep trading. Well, don't keep trading until they approve or deny you. You don't want to unpay yourself. But get your request in whenever you're eligible. I said this, bro. Was that you before? But yeah, get your request in. They're going to fucking probably deny you if it was a blatant violation or you've done it multiple times. And then they'll deny you and then just get your clean days in 5 days of $50 or more if you get denied on an account that you never got paid on. 5 days of $50 or more, flip the rest of the way, and then you request again. You should be fine, bro. But don't, it's not the end of the world. What up, J-Bot? Gator Trader, not financial advice. You think we go down that far, though, Gator Trader? Nayef, what up? What up, man? Mr. Beg Beef, my insolence. Your insolence. It might. I mean, shit. This doesn't look fucking good at all. Stop with the insolence, Zero Day Jason. What up, Isaac? Nah. I mean, you'll be able to veto. You'll have the whole balance. They'll tell you in the drop down. Apex will tell you in the drop down, like when the account, like the next time through, like if you don't fuck it up, right? If you still have the account and you get those clean days in, you really need 8 clean days, but you could do it in 5 and then flip the other 3. But you get those clean days in and then you're eligible to request again. It will tell you the max and the min that you can request. It'll say you can request anywhere between 500 and 2,000, for example, if you're well over max payout, if you're over max payout land. Your insolence. Yeah, just don't blow it, obviously. Because you know how it goes. How hard could it be to just have 5 $50 days? How hard could it be to just get $50? Just, you know what you got to do, though? You know what you got to do? Yeah, I was looking at the 5 minute before. I mean, we got a fucking ways to go. We got the VWAP right here. We got a pivot point right here. You're saying, I mean, we're right. We're not even that far away if you really think about it. You got these two wicks kissing each other. This one here and this one. They're going, I love you, Zero Day Jason. Your insolence is turning me on, Jason. Zero Day Jason, your insolence is turning me on. Yeah, Vito. I wouldn't sweat it, man. Zach T, what up? The VWAP. We just been riding up the VWAP. We blew through the VWAP like at 6 o'clock in the morning. And, this is on the full day session. If you look at just the New York session, we still been just riding up the VWAP all fucking day. We're right here. Actually, we're almost at the VWAP on just a regular trading hours chart. The VWAP on the regular trading hours, 0 Day Jason. The VWAP. Cheap insulin. Your insulin. Your insulin levels are too high, Gator. Fucking Jim Blob. Oh, my God. I know, Yvonne, it's not real. I'm getting fucking bot attacked by some fucking clown. Wants to teach me a lesson in humility. Ricky C, in the place to be. Your insulin levels are too high, Jason. 0 Day Jason. 3 pause. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, just wait. Be patient. Don't try to force anything. Thank you, man. Hey, great job. Thank you, Ricky C, and thank you. And great job, I meant. Great job passing. 5 for 10 is great. Don Burberry, your insulin levels are too high. Here's some more bots. Oh, my God. It's just a fucking joke at this point. Yeah, it's tough. I mean, it's tough at this time of day, Gator Trader. I mean, we're right. You got this here. I don't know. You got these two wicks touching each other. I mean, they got this big green dildo candle in the way, but there's 229. You said 230, right? Michael Escorza, what up? Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. By the way, since we're talking about all that stuff, yeah, tell him. Don Burberry. Tell him. Tell Jay. Tell Jay. 80K. 80K. 80% off Apex. Imagine 80% off Apex until next Tuesday. They said, I'll see you next Tuesday. And then they might extend it. Who knows? But your indicators are looking like my pubes, Maximus. 0 Day Jason. 80% off Apex with the best code 0DayJ. 91% off bulenox, option 150Ks or bigger. Does Apex pay their traders? Of course they pay their traders. 91% off bulenox using the best code 0DayJ. Option 150Ks or bigger. 30% off take profit trader with no activation fee using the best code 0DayJ. Jason. 0DayJ Jason. 0 Day Jason says 30% off take profit trader with no activation fee. Jason. Using the best code 0DayJ. My funded futures, which I'm about to request a payout when the market closes, is 50% off anything if you've never had an account with them before until the end of the month. So if you're on the fence with them and you wanted to give them a try, now might be a great time to, because you could get an account for as little as $48.50 if you choose the starter account. If you already have an account, you could save 30% on expert accounts until the end of the week, and then 5% off anything else, including resets, using the best code 0DayJ. 0 Day Jason says to use the best code 0DayJ. He's such a fucking asshole. Trade Day's 40% off. Trade Day, man, this is the longest I've ever seen Trade Day do a sale. You know what that means. Marcin, did you know if you use J139, you could pay $139 for the activation fee? I don't know how you could do that with a code. I don't know. I saw some weird shit. I think try it though. I don't know how that works. I don't know if you got to like buy an account first and then I don't fucking know, but I think so, bro. I think so. Don't quote me on it. I just saw it in my account and I think that's what it means. Oh, I made the bot mad. I made him mad. Now we're back to 62,436 views. I told you, your insolence. Maximus. I think, bro, I'm not 100% sure. I don't even know if you could put a code in for an activation. You might be able to. Usually you just click on a link. I don't know. Gator Trader, I did pretty good. I locked myself in for another payout here. This will put me over 14,000 for the month. My best month just keeps getting better, guys. The best insolence on the prop firm streets. I want you to taste my insolence. So this account, I'm going to request a payout in like less than an hour. Hopefully a lot of you guys will still be here. We're going to have a payout request party. And then these accounts I got paid on, these two, the leader and the follower, I just got paid. They took the money out, and then it was an adventure to get here, but I did get my first $200 day in since getting paid. So let's see if I could get 4 more. How hard can it be, guys? I passed a bunch of Apex evals. I also nuked a bunch of Apex evals. I did blow 2 funded accounts today. Today's session, I did it yesterday. I blew 269, which sucks because I had 2 days in the books after getting paid. And I blew this XFA right here. 0 Day Jason blew this XFA. Both of those accounts, I got caught in a gold short, and I just couldn't fucking make the adjustment and go with it instead of going against it. And then right after that happened, I took these 3 with gold for $589. So these have 3 days in. I just need 2 more days of about $600, and I can request another max payout on those 3, which would be amazing if I could get that done. And then these take profit trader accounts, I just needed to get I needed to flip day 4 and day 5. I don't remember which is which, but day 4 and day 5. I do have a 150 that I passed yesterday. They didn't give it to me yet. My funded futures is great, man. They just, they're not the for $48.50 with no activation fee, definitely worth it. At least one time, They pay fast as fuck. You're going to see how fast they pay. Watch how fast they pay when I request this payout in a little bit. They pay the fastest by far. Zero Day Jason says they pay the fastest. I've never been paid faster by any other prop firm. They're good. They're just not my favorite. Because regular prices, especially now with Take Profit Trader, I could pay $10 more at regular prices for a starter account and have a funded account where I could get paid on day 1 and every single day. The most I can make every 5 days with this funded account is $1,200, and I'm fine with that because I like to spread it out. But and you don't have to grow the account that big. I heard Expert is the account you might want to get, and they're doing 30% off for the week for existing users. If you've never had an account with them, you could get 50% off any type of account. I might try an Expert account. We'll see. I don't know. I just don't like the idea of having to trade for 10 days. You got to get over the buffer. You don't have to trade for 10 days, but you can't request. You can only request every 10 days. You have to trade for at least once a week, and you have to be over the buffer. So that's how they work. I just learned that about them. They're just expensive, but for 30% off, maybe it might be worth it. If you've never had an account, maybe 50% off might be worth it. However, Starter is my favorite account, especially at 50% off for a first-time user, $48.50 to be potentially all in with a funded account. Pretty good return if you could get to a payout. Fran Yu, what up? Monica! Toro, I missed what you said. Bowser. Are we really? That's funny, bro. We're like twinning. We're twinning. That should be easy for me. Yeah, Alfred. How hard could it be? KD. They're not real. I'm getting bot attacked. No, with Starter, no. You have to have 5 days of $100 or more. The max, I'm going to take 1,200 here. The most you can take is 1,200. I'm going to take 1,200 in about 45 minutes. I'm going to request 1,200 and get it within minutes probably. F Trades, what up? Nice job. Hell yeah, bro. And you requested more? With who? Apex? Tell me it's Apex so I can say my favorite saying. Where are the bots from? I don't know, man. They're from all over. They're from all over. Magnificent answer. Yeah. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Right, F Trades? Oh, man. How hard could it be? How hard could it be, Alfred? Vitor, just a normal day for me. Tova, what up? Coupon code. New coupon code, guys. Insolence. Findy. I don't know, man. I don't know. We're out of juice. The market's out of juice. If it does bounce here, I could see it. I can see it getting up to about here and then pulling and then falling back down. Jay Stores, stop with the insolence. Stop with the insolence, Jay Stores. I lost respect for you, Jason. 0 Day Jason. What a fucking joke. Oh, man. Did I drop all my links in the chat? I don't fucking remember. I think I did. I forgot to tell you guys what the best code was for all of these fucking links I dropped. It's 0-Day J. For Take Profit Trader, 30% off, no activation fee. Apex, 80% off. The big accounts, 150s, 250s, and 300s are $59.40 with the best code 0-Day-J. For My Funded Futures, 50% off for new users for the rest of the month, 30% off for the rest of the week on Expert, 50% off anything for new users for the rest of the month, 5% everything else on My Funded Futures, 91% off bulenox, 91% off bulenox, and 40% off Trade Day using code 0-Day-J. 0-Day Jason says use code 0-Day-J. It's the best code. 0-Day Jason says it's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. He doesn't have any actual data to confirm that, but 0-Day Jason says the data, the DGen data in the chat, in the stream tells him it's the best code on these prop firm streets, according to 0-Day Jason's chat. I'm just going to refer to myself in the third person. Just aim right. Ash Futures, what up? What up? 0-Day Jason says. 0-Day Jason says. Twan Ali. Marcelo. What at 3 paws? What prop for what platform? I don't know, Monica. Maybe at the 45-minute candle. Do I want to trade more? I would love to, but you know, this shit is weak. This shit is looking weak. What's gold doing? Gold is probably weak as fuck. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Up 100 ticks from this low. Just ain't right. Mwah! That's all right. Take Profit Trader. I've had, it's not only, sometimes it's not only that the stop loss will fail. You might not, it depends on like what kind of candle it is. Sometimes you'll get filled much, like let's say you have a stop loss down here at like 520. Sometimes it'll get filled 5 or ticks lower or a couple points lower. I've had that happen to me a bunch of times where like my stop loss will get filled, but it gets fucking filled, or my order like to get filled on it to enter a position. It gets filled nowhere near where my fucking actual order was or my stop loss was. That's the bounce you expected? 8 points. Yeah, I just don't see it going up that much. It could though, who knows? I said around here. This is like resistance right here. This a lot of insolence right here. We got some insolence right here, guys. Insolence. 0-Day Jason, this insolence right here. Saris, what up? No, it's not this. Just my style. No, it's not the same. We're at the 34s, guys. A lot of insolence here, guys. What up, Saris? Yeah, bro. It's My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures. They don't do same day payouts. Like, you know, you can't get paid on day one with them. You can with Take Profit Trader, but I'm gonna get paid real quick. Like, I'm gonna request this $1,200, and most likely, while we're still hanging out on the stream, if you guys stick around, the money will hit. I will already get I'll take screenshots of my email. I gotta take such a piss. There it is, the 34s. There's the insolence. Here's your insolence. 0-Day Jason. Fuck you, 0-Day Jason. Oh my God. 0-Day Jason. I gotta pee so fucking bad. Look, the 34s. Look at that insolence on the 34s, guys. Crazy. Watch out for the insolence. Oh my God, Anna. What's up, Anna? Ecom, what's good? No, it's not. It's all fucking bullshit. There's probably like 250 to 300 people on right now. Zero. Zero day Jason taking a $1,200 payout in T minus 37 minutes. Alligator. You could try. Let me just double check that. I don't know if it's going to work. To be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure if it's going to work. They just put in what looks like discounts on activation codes, discount codes for activations. I just don't know. But if you're going to try it, try this. Oh, thank you, EconFit. I appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Justin S. Allah, what up? Option 148. This might work, though. Yeah, I'm going to fucking Sizzler after this shit. This might work. J139 might get you an activation at bulenox, a 50K option 1 activation for $139. I'm not 100% sure if it works, though. Someone let me know. If you have one to activate, let me know if it works. Join the Discord and let me know in the 0 Day Jason Discord, guys. Let me know in the 0 Day Jason Discord, okay? Let me drop the link in here. Here's the Discord if you want to join. Nikolai, what up? Yeah, right here, bro. They're not my fund the future. They're not expert. They are. These are starter accounts. I've never traded an expert account before. I might get one. I don't know. I might get one just to see. No problem, man. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. Yeah, let me know, Al. Let me know if it works. I don't know if it's going to. I just know that if you put in code 0DayJ, you'll get 91% off 50K or bigger evals with them. But the only account size worth getting, option 1, by the way, is the 50K because of the activation fees. Gabe. Well, they hit. I do. You know, you gotta hook up with Rise. I don't think they're doing ACH anymore. I'm pretty sure they're not. They might bring it back, or I don't know. I just know I do it with Rise. It will be in my Rise account within minutes. Most of the time. Every time I've gotten paid, it's been within, very short amount of time. Sometimes as little as 28 seconds. One time, 28 seconds and 48 seconds. Back-to-back requests. That was in January. That's the last time I got a payout from them. I wasn't like super heavy trading with them between then and now, but like, because I kept having trouble passing. I just was having trouble passing funded accounts, and the few that I did pass, I kept blowing. So I kind of like took a little bit of a step back and would just let rebuilds kind of come through. But we're good now. We're about to be real fucking good. Jason, 0 Day Jason says, yeah, I don't know. See, I don't know if it's that's the weird part about it. I wouldn't. Hey, thanks for trying, Al. That's why I wasn't sure. I don't know what that means. So really, the only deal at bulenox worth going with is 91% off 50Ks option 1 using the best code 0DayJ. 0DayJ. Okay, guys? 0 Day Jason. Oh, man. Zero Day Jason. I'm having too much fun with this shit. I got to pee so fucking bad. Have some more bots, Jason. You think this shit goes up more? Take these bots, 0 Day Jason. Okay? Yeah, but 91% off bulenox. I mean, I want to trade bulenox. Oh, fuck. What happened? I got a bunch of 91% off rebuilds that are coming through. Hold on. Hold up. I got to hide my screen. 1 sec. 0 Day Jason says, hold on a second, okay, guys? While I log into my bulenox account. Got to hide my screen. 0 Day Jason. I got to pee too, but we'll wait. That can wait. Okay, guys, look. These are a bunch of rebuilds. These are a bunch of blown accounts over the last whatever months, all at 91% off. So I'm just waiting for them to fucking come through so I could start playing Pass the Smash with them again. But 91% off is as good as it's going to get with bulenox. 50K starter, 50K option 1, $15.75. Worth holding on to rebuilds. But I don't have any right now. And I will get paid by it. I will get a fucking payout or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 with those motherfuckers. I keep, building up accounts, and then I get like halfway there and I find a way to fuck it up. 0 Day Jason keeps fucking up his bulenox accounts. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. You got the first payout. You got to get to 3,600 minimum. You got to go $1,000, at least $1,000 over the buffer. The buffer is 2,600. Very similar to Apex. Max payout is 4,100, but you can only take out 1,500. The first 3 payouts. You can only take out 1,500 until you get like 5 or 6 payouts or whatever. Then you could get bigger payouts, but 1,500 is the max. After the first 3 payouts, the buffer goes away. Yeah, this shit is going sideways. T. Charles, what up? $148. Crypticon. No, you don't have to pay for data. You got to pay an activation fee like you would with Apex or, Top Step or, Take Profit Trader right now is 30% off with no activation fee. 0 Day Jason says, use code 0DayJ for 30% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee. What up, Great Dane? That's okay, man. Nayef, what up? Dude, they don't automatically though. They said the new rules is if at their discretion. They said they can at their discretion, which is, that's kind of a gray area. They may or they may not push you to a live account after 3 payouts. What up, Neil? Hey, listen, Neil. Your insolence will not be tolerated. Oh, man. I don't know, P. I don't remember. Actually, I have no idea. What up, AS? What's my favorite firm right now? Take Profit Trader. Always. I like Apex. Apex is not too far behind it. I got a soft spot for Apex. I had most of my success with Apex in terms of payouts. And then, I like Top Step. I like My Fund the Futures. All the prop firms I trade with, I like. I like bulenox. I have yet to get a payout with them. I will crack that. I will definitely crack bulenox very soon. Yeah, 60K viewer giveaway. Yeah, Marcin. Let me get to 1 payout on bulenox before I worry about a live account. That's what 0 Day Jason says. Here's your lesson in insolence. I'll be right back. I got to pee. Is this curling up or is it just going to fucking eventually drop? It's going to hit this insolence right here. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. If you do, smash the like button on your way out, and thank you for stopping by. But I'll be right back. We're going to have a payout party in a little bit. Here, look at my dog. Look at my dog, Penelope. In the meantime, I'll give you something to look at. There she is. There's Penelope. She's not zoomed in. Never mind. Sorry, guys. My insulin levels. Yeah.
Julie and I are wanting our nails done. So when you're done, let me drop. Give him his
His last meal? His last supper? All right. Okay, Zero Day Jason reporting back for duty. Zero Day Jason back for duty. Oh, I want to turn my coffee back on. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, Zero Day Jason's here. Your podiatrist says you need Jim Blob needs insoles. What up, stock cards and bets? What's good? Marcin. Yo, we're gonna give away some some fast track trader accounts to all the bots in here. Cube in the where in the main chat? Whoops. Hell yeah. He wants to have his cornrows like me. Oh man. This shit is not moving at all. What's gold doing? Is gold fucking around? Damn, gold just keeps going up. Damn, gold. The last time I looked at gold, it was here. Gold went here, and then it came here. Jason. Leaving the stream is insolence. Gives. Hey, yo, Cube. Give Newt some cornrows. Oh man, I can't wait to do this. Let's see here. Zero Day Jason. Whoopsie. Does gold want to keep going up? We're at the top orb of gold. There's a bunch of insolence at the top orb here. Lots of insolence, guys. Lots of insolence. Top of the golden shower pocket, 0 Day Jason. Vindy. Yeah. Legend of Alexander. Justin. Oh, I've been trading gold. I didn't know gold was going to keep pumping like that. I've been trading gold. I traded gold a lot more than the NQ today because all the NQ was doing for most of the day was just going up all fucking day until recently. Now it's going sideways. Let's see. Let's see. Does it want to go down now? We're right at the top orb. Whoops. Top orb. 0 Day Jason. You got the upper, the VWAP band here, the top orb. Let's see if we get something here. Literally fucking bored right now. Coach Fred. Yeah, an ex-coworker. Someone said I sound like Zoolander too. I think Neil. Neil's saying I sound like Zoolander. Oh, we couldn't film me? Jason. 0 Day Jason. Look at this shit. Just went straight up. Alexander. Uh-oh, I just got filled. They open back up. They open back up at 6 p.m. Eastern. So the market's going to close in 13 minutes, and then it's going to open it up an hour later. So if you got like take profit trader accounts, make sure. What up, Soli to Borno? What's good? Because somebody wants to teach me a lesson in humility and keeps bot attacking my fucking stream. Make sure, guys, especially you, Alexander, since you just got those accounts, make sure you are out of the trade, out of any trades you're in with Take Profit Trader within the next 10 minutes. Please. Or you will lose the account. Yo, Jimbo. You think gold, the top is in on gold? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Gotta plug my cellular phone in. Oh shit! Drop it! I wish I was in more. Sorry, Jake. My son's doing his schoolwork right now, and I'm over here fucking yelling. Jason! 0 day Jason! I mean, I'll take whatever I end up with here because it's a good day one. Oh no. Look at the 34s. The 34s. Go back down, please. 0 day Jason wants you to drop lower. Jason Jr. Actually, that was Jake. AS. Ooh. Look at gold fucking moving. What's the NQ doing? Nothing. Gold, man. Gold is fucking banana land. Keep going down, please. Jason wants you to keep going down, please. No, Granny, don't. Oh. What do we bounce off of? Come back up here, please, then. Come back up here, guys. Jason. We gonna go back down? Go back down, please. Jason, please go back down for 0 day Jason. Uh-oh. Go down, please. Go down for Jason. Christopher Bransdall, what up? Mystic Rick. Granny, don't. Came up with a new rule. I like new rules. Just make sure you're out of those trade. Make sure you're out of everything with Take Profit Trader before the market closes in 8 minutes. Go down more, please. What's the spread? The spread's getting, what's the spread? 3 ticks? Drop it. That's oh my God. Oh my God. There he is. Oh wait, I'm still in this trade. Ah, fuck. Go back down, please. Okay. Just remember on those 25Ks, the buffer is only 1,500. You know, obviously when they're funded. You need 1,500 to pass. So remember the 50% consistency rule on the test account side, on eval side. Eval has a 50% consistency rule. There's no consistency rule on funded. 1,500 is the profit target. And then 1,500 is the buffer when you're funded on a 25K. Just remember that. These are all the numbers. Hold on. Let me move this fucking over so I can see what the fuck's going on with this trade. 0 Day Jason says, with Take Profit Trader, you could get 30% off any size test account, plus no activation fee using the best code 0DayJ. But here are the buffers on all the different size accounts. That's what I was talking about. Come on, drop it. Dump it. Central, I don't know. Some fucking loser. Johnny, what up? Yeah, but that's not a good thing, though. Johnny, I don't necessarily want that. 0 Day Jason, Ryan. 0 Day Jason. Oh, God. Teach you a lesson in insolence. I'd rather it happen organically because, like, YouTube knows when people are trying to game the system. They won't ever tell me who's doing it, LMNOP. I already reached out to them. They already are aware that it's happening, and all I get from them is, you know, we're looking into it. We're looking into it. You know, they said, we're looking into it, 0 Day Jason. I promise. I assure you. Uh-oh. Shit's getting a little frisky. Shit's getting a little frisky. There's like no fucking volume. Look at the NQ doing absolute dick. Too much insolence on the NQ, Jason. What up, Emmy? Hey man, just, you know, try to take a step back, bro. Try to take a step back and like look at what's happening and see if there's like a pattern, if you're noticing a pattern. And then if you are and the same shit keeps happening, just try to break that pattern. It takes 21 days to develop a habit or break a habit. Breaking a habit is just like developing a habit. You just got to override it with a new habit. That's a 0 Day Jasonism. Yeah, I saw it, Newt. It's fucking hilarious. Drop down lower, please, for Jason. Drop down for 0 Day Jason, please. Look, they're supporting. It keeps hitting these two wicks and bouncing off of it. Please drop down lower. I'll take it, though, before it fucking pops back up. We're going to have a payout request party in about 10 minutes. No problem, Emmy. Yeah, you got to figure. I mean, you know, nothing changes if nothing changes. You ever hear that statement before? Something obvious. If you keep, you know what I mean? Like the same thing keeps happening. Clearly, there's something going on. But maybe you're just not. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is because I don't know. I'm not watching you trade. But like you hear me sometimes on my streams. Like there's definitely certain bad habits I repeat. And it drives me, and I fucking drive myself crazy about it. But, you know, all you could do is just try to get better every day, and just say to yourself, or even out loud, especially, every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. The shit's true. It works. You tell yourself you're getting better, you will. Keep dropping. Let's fucking go. I wish I was in more. I wish I was in heavier. But I'll take this as a first day. It's going to bounce here. I'll probably get taken out here. That's fine. We're running out of time anyway. One more. Like, if you're in a trade with any prop firm right now, I advise you to get out. Especially Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, bulenox 2. Trade Day and Take Profit Trader, you will most definitely lose your account if you hold this into the close. You have less than 2 minutes. Get the fuck out of your trades now. Bowser. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, Bowser. We're twinning, baby. We're going to do it at the same time? Stick around. We'll do it at the same time. He turned them off. Look, see, there's 212 people here. Still at this time. So we probably hit like 250 to 300. There we go. Make sure you close out your orders too. We probably hit like 300 people, 250 to 300 at some point today. Jamila, where you been? Trade day on Project X will close you out at 450. That's actually pretty cool. That's good to know. If you're in Tradeovate or anything else, you won't. They won't. JC Trades. The Alexanders, thank you, thank you. Oh, I bring the energy. I will bring the energy, that's for sure. Hiding in the cut. Some people don't like my energy. Some people, it's too much for some people. They can't handle it. They can't handle this energy. I just like to have a good time while I'm trading. Unless the market's fucking with me and I'm getting yo-yoed around, then I'm not having a good time. Then I'll fucking be on tilt. And that's always fucking good too. Fuck the haters. I'm having my best month ever. They could all fucking eat a dick. In the cuts. She's in some liverwurst. Alfred, she's having some liverwurst. Sometimes I'm a little too loud. Can't hold a good man down. You could only wish to fucking contain me. I don't know. I'll be streaming at some point. I would love to stream during the overnight, but I don't know. During London. The pause. Maybe during London, 0 Day Jason will be back on live. I will be on for sure, without a doubt, tomorrow for Power Hour. Same time, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Mikey, 0 Day Jason has not learned his lesson. Too much insolence. Ah, Josh. Bacon's been, yeah, bro. It's tough, man. I've been trading gold more than the NQ lately because hard to trade this. I don't know how to trade this straight up like this. I just don't have it in me to ride this all the way up like that. I know how to trade this type of shit. The drops, the pops. That's the shit I'm good at trading. Let's see. It's 5 o'clock. Did this day show up in here yet? Jason. No, not yet. It's going to be like at like 5:07. 5:07 p.m. Eastern. Jason, okay? 0 Day Jason will be able to request a payout in like 6 minutes. It has not updated yet. I'm in my MyFund the Futures account right here. 0 Day Jade. Nice job, Christopher Branzo. I love it, man. I love it. Josh. Yeah, turn it back on, please. 0 Day Jason. Turn it. 0 Day Jason wants it back on, please. Lee. Hell yeah. 0 Day Jason humility. 0 Day insolence. Jamila, hell yeah. Jamila likes to play pass a smash and half a smash. Come on, update, baby. Give me my 5th day in this chart on the calendar. Usually it updates at 5:07. We'll see. Do I stream what? The reopen? Or are you talking about the New York Open? You talking about the market reopen, which is less than an hour, or the New York Open? 0 Day Rumpelmints. Marcin, they left. They got tired. Damn, Jamila. Yeah, I've been there. You just gotta wait. You know how it is. You just gotta be real patient when you want to take that type of trade to catch a move. Rumpelmans. I haven't heard that for that name in a fucking long time. Free Humanity, what up? I was trading I missed I traded the New York Open a little bit earlier today. I missed it by I got on like a half hour after the Open, 20 minutes after the Open. I don't remember. I got on around like 10 to 10. Lee. Oh no. Oh yeah, bro. Oh good. Yeah, I had a friend. I think his name was it Pelly? John Pelly. He used to fucking love Rumplemans. I don't know if he still does. Oh, 5.5. 50K. 1,200. 12 hundos. 12 hundos as soon as this shit's available. Yeah, Jamila. Gold. I'm getting better at trading at gold. I just got to stop letting myself get fucked around with. Come on. A few more minutes. We get to request. 3 more minutes. I think it'll be ready to go. Let's see. Payouts. Available and upcoming payouts. Must have 5 days of $100 or more. What's the fourth thing? I don't know what the fourth thing is. Come on, give me the update. No humility. Lesson in humility payouts. This is how you get a lesson in humility. Come on, baby, update. Come on, please. Come on. It's usually, based on all the other requests I made, it's usually around like 5:07 p.m. Kenny, yeah. What bag is my... She's not really big into bags, believe it or not. I bought her bags before. I bought her plenty of bags. I can tell you one thing. She doesn't use any of them except for maybe one. Am I ever going to trade with Patrick in Florida? Never. Never going to happen. Definitely not going to trade with Patrick in Florida. T. Charles. I don't know. I mean, if I could get there. If I have these accounts and they push me to live, sure. I have taken my Fund the Futures accounts for more than one payout. I've taken 2 of them to the second payout, maybe a third, but I've definitely taken 2 to 2 payouts. That's about as far as I've gone. Not on purpose. 506, guys. Micah, yeah. Bilardo, Granny, please. That's right. I doubt it, Micah. He doesn't like me. I don't have anything against him, but I know he doesn't like me. By the way, guys, if you follow me on Twitter, if you follow me, I will follow you back. Thank you, King. Thank you, sir. I'm supposed to enter your bank info. Well, it's going to hit, when the payout does go through, it's going to hit, it's 507. It's going to hit, it gets sent to my Rise account. And then from Rise, it usually takes sometimes it's the same day from Rise. Depends on what time you do it. Same day or the next day. It's fucking fast. Let's see. Do I got my day in? Oh, shit. Did it update? No. What the fuck? Come on. Maybe 10 after. If it doesn't happen in the next 10 minutes, what I'll do is I'll hop back on and we'll have a payout request party. Because I got to make my update videos. So if for whatever reason it doesn't happen within the next 5-10 minutes, I'll hop off. And then we'll do it again. But let's see. Hopefully, here we go. Oh, that's 82. Oh! What's the fourth? Oh, look, it's there. All right, guys. Someone put a timer. We'll do the timestamps with the Gmail. Well, I don't want to show my Gmail, but here we go. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for the update? You guys ready to request a payout? It hasn't showed up here, but I'm good. Oh, it did. There it is. 5 winning days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do it. 5:08. 5:08 p.m. Eastern. I don't know what the 4th is. You guys ready? Request payout. Yeah, by proceeding with this, your minimum account balance will be moved to the lock level, starting balance plus 100. Are you sure you want to continue? Of course. I don't give a fuck. Give me that money, dog. 1,200. RiseWorks, request payout. Okay, payout requested. Let's fucking check. Payout requested. 0-day Jason, pending. I'll take screenshots. 0-day Jason, request payout. Your request has been received. Let's see, I'm watching the email. I don't think I'm going to beat 28 seconds. Like, that's insane. 28 seconds, 48 seconds. It's probably going to be a few minutes. I'll take 5 minutes. If it takes an hour, I don't care. I just won't be able to hang out for an hour. But we did request a payout. So we are having the party as we speak. Another 1,200. That puts me at, let's do the math. 10,000 from Apex. Plus, it turned out to be 2021 from Top Step. 576 from Take Profit Trader, 384 from Take Profit Trader, and 1,200 from My Fund the Futures. 14,181 is where I'm at this month. And it's May fucking 13th. Fuck yeah. We did it, Joe. Mallow, what up, man? Thank you, bro. K-Spec, hell yeah. It's a celebration. Sean, what up? Bron, I don't, yeah, I guess he is the master accumulator. Russell, thank you. Bowser, did you get approved yet? Let me see. Did I get approved yet? Oh, there it is. And then the payout email is going to come any second now. All right, let me take the screenshot. I'll post it in the Discord, Jason. 0-day Jason's going to post it in the Discord. It took 1 minute and 20 seconds to get approved. 1 minute and 20. Jason. 0-day Jason. Oh, my God. All right. I probably got the paid email, too. Yup. Oh, we'll just do from paid. Let's just do from paid. But, yeah, I'll post this in the Discord anyway. Let's go to the Discord. Look, already fucking paid. Look at this. Processed. Done. Dunzo. Let's go to the Discord. Now, let's see what's the timestamp. Look, I don't know if you guys can see that because my head might be in the way. Requested at 5:09 and 3 seconds. I got approved at 5:10 and 23 seconds. Let's go to the paid one now. Let's do the paid one. Fast as fuck, boy. 1 minute and 51 seconds. A minute and 51 seconds. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Teach a lesson in humility, Jason. 1 minute and 51 seconds. 1 minute and 51 seconds from request to paid. Fast as fuck, boy. Look at this. Look at this. Nice job, Dan. All right. A minute. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see what it looks like on the screen. Oh yeah, you can see it. 5:09 and 3 seconds. 5:10 and 54 seconds. Request paid. It's already in my fucking Rise account. Uncle Mo. Just ain't right. Mwah! I did it for you. We did it for the stream. Oh, Moto, Timo, yo, thank you. If you get your first account, 50% off any type of account. You could get I got paid on a starter account. This is the starter account. You could get a starter account for $48.50. But 50% off anything for new users using the best code ZERODAYJASON. ZERODAYJAY, actually. ZERODAYJASON says use the best code ZERODAYJAY. And then if you already have an account, 30% off expert until the end of the week. That 50% off deal for new users is good until the end of the month. Now, if you've ever been on the fence with them, now is as good of a time to get your first account with them ever. 50% off. It doesn't get any better than that. And then 5% off everything else if you're an existing user. Brand new. Pound that confetti like roast beef. We did it for the stream, baby. Yeah, let's fucking go. Woo! Howdy do. Can you use Project X with My Fund the Futures? No, not yet at least. Maybe in the future. Kang Dao, what up? Nice. How fast did you get yours? Bowser, did you get yours yet? Where's Bowser at? Did you get your payout yet? Where is he? Jacob Hodge, what up, man? Jason T, what's good? Elmi, yes, sir. Am I on track? I'm already having my biggest month, bro. Legend of Alexander. My biggest month was 12,500. I'm at 14,100 and what? 14,181. My biggest month keeps getting bigger. Where's Bowser? Did you get it yet? Always Jim Blob. Always touching gestures. Yo, how fast? 10 seconds, Kang Dao? Yo, that fucking, you beat my record. My fastest was 28 seconds. No, he's here. He's right here. How long did it take, Bowser? For the year? 14,181 plus 11,9 plus 1850. That was an awful month. February was so fucking bad. I did 9,081, I think, in March. Last month I did 6,242. So I'm at like 43 grand for the month. I got a lot of work to do. You think so, Alex? That's a good number. I like that number. 6 seconds with Bowser? That's bullshit. I'm going to tweet. I'm going to post a tweet and say, my funded futures took so fucking long today. It took them 1 minute and 51 seconds. Hey, Jason T. Hey, man, everybody goes, hey, we're all on a journey, man. Great job. 6 seconds, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, someone talk to Matt. Someone talk to Matt about this, about the speed of these payouts. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yeah. FC Mike, thank you. All right, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I hope you guys took a lesson, learned your lesson in humility. Too much insolence from all of you guys, okay? Zero Day Jason says. No, it's not that long, bro. From RiseWorks, it's not that long at all. Bowser. Yo, post the screenshot of when it gets approved, bro. Hell yeah. We celebrate the wins in the Discord, in the best fucking Discord. The best community on these prop firm streets. Hands fucking down. Not even close. Not even close. Here's the link for the Discord, by the way, if you want to hang out with the DGen fam. 7,200. Nice job, man. That's where you're at this month? Yeah, you get the money quick. And then from Rise to your bank account, what? A couple of hours, maybe the next morning. Fine with me. 2 minutes to get the paid email. Fuck yeah, bro. I love it. I beat you. I got you beat by what? 7 seconds. Ha! I got you beat, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. All right, guys. Lee, all you guys, thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be on later, hopefully at some point. Definitely for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I will talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for celebrating. And thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.